Morning, Gio. Not doing too bad. How are you doing? Wow. Hope you get a solid week. Me too. Me too. Right. Okay. Hope everyone's had a good weekend. Did gap up quite a bit last night, which is good. All right, market is open. We'll see if we fill the gap or not. See if we fill the gap. Yeah. big spike up there on the open. We're up 30 points there in the opening candle. There's not many of you in here, but I will let everybody know. I know a lot of people don't really love Trendbender. That's perfectly okay. But we do have a IFVG Autotrader that we're working on. So inverse fair value gap Autotrader style that we are working on should be pretty cool. But gonna be making some videos on that soon. Just finishing some things up with that. But even though there's only like 5 or 6 of you in here, thought I'd let you know. But yeah, I think IFVGs are pretty. It's definitely not super easy to automate because there's like, you know, if you just really look, there's fair value gaps everywhere. So if you're just trying to take any inverse of a fair value gap, that would be like a lot of trades. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I think if we code it right, it could be solid. So. And you could use it on obviously so many different charts, because every symbol has fair value gaps, right? So could be like a little portfolio of inverse fair value gap setups. So I'm just gonna actually throw a poll. Diversification, reducing drawdowns. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Just throw that poll up just for something here. Leave it up for the live stream. Yeah. Longs look decent here, but can't take it. It's a little too close to the open. It's not that clean. Nothing that clean either, so. I think Trump's actually, yeah, Trump is talking with the UK leader right now. So, I don't know if we want to be taking trades with Trump speaking. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm just a little worried about Trump right now, but a little worried about Trump. Good amount of political pressure, not really optimal. Personally biased towards bullish moves. I mean, I think we gotta be biased towards bullish moves just because we're at all-time highs, and a lot of times shorting all-time highs just doesn't work. So I would agree with the bullish bias. Okay. To have a 3-minute 3-minute IFVG above us that we just rejected from. Big pickup of speed lower here. We'll see. We are right at previous day high, midpoint of the gap as well. The gap up from overnight. We're at the midpoint currently. ES has actually already filled the gap. Okay. ES has filled the gap. Didn't notice that, but NQ is not. We need to move down 25, 30 points to fill a gap on NQ. Hmm. What are we doing here? Kind of choppy. Trump is still speaking, I think, so could be related to that. How long is Trump going to speak? Um, Looks like they're going to be talking for a little while. It looks like they're going to be chatting for a while. Well, hopefully they're not talking all morning. They've already been talking for 50 minutes. Three-minute fair value gap is being inversed right now. So you'd probably have to chase it probably right now, honestly. Chase a long entry. I'm not going to, but it's moving. It is moving. Oh, I am yawning too much this morning. This 3-minute right at the entry. Let's see, we're gonna close above. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. We did. Okay, we closed above barely. Not a very good close, but one minute short actually doesn't look that bad. Oh no. What just happened on MNQ? Holy smokes, I was just saying 1 minute short looks good. And then we dump. I actually was thinking about entering that, but about 15 seconds before I was thinking about entering, we just got that giant spike, so... That's why you shouldn't trade necessarily when Trump's speaking, huh? That random spike there. That was 30-point spike down. So... Trump said on China, we are going to be setting a tariff for the rest of the world, and that's what they have to pay. And that's why we just dumped. We're going to be setting a tariff for the rest of the world. Trump to China. I would love to see them open up their country. Well, Trump speaking could be just messing with us here. Another spike candle. So, okay, definitely not going to be trading here until Trump's done speaking. Boom, 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 boom. Look at the 32 range chart. That's funny. That is funny. Might call it here personally. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see if Trump stops speaking, but if he doesn't, I probably won't be taking anything today. I don't know. Looks like they might be finishing up soon. I, looks like the media's asking them questions, so I would assume they're finishing up soon. Ooh. Slow day. Nothing wants to take trades. I mean, it's not good conditions at all, so I don't blame the bots at all. But yeah. Pretty big divergence with NQ and ES too. ES looks like so bad right now compared to NQ, and NQ doesn't look good, but like ES looks way worse. Way worse. So many break evens on your end. Taking a lot of quick scalps, I assume, today. $30 potential inverse for Valley Gap. It's not that good, but it's valid technically. Nice. How's your Autotrader project or automated trader project going? Come on, finish speaking. Holy smokes, man. It's alright, it needs some work. Without prop firm level slippage. Gotcha. Cool, Joe. Cool, cool, cool. $30-second long right here. It is valid. Risky, but technically valid. That 30-second was a winner for a scalp and a spike down. Okay. Oh, geez. Yeah, that's just good. I mean, it technically won, but it's too risky right now. All these spikes. Yeah, it would have been a nice scalp actually for a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 or so. And ES is trash. Just touch the 50% level of the overnight range to the tick. The 50% is 525. Also, guys, while all of you are here, Apex does have 90% off. Okay. Code is that. Bunch of news this week, so you can definitely do the eval hack from my YouTube and just pass it in one trade and get some easy funded accounts. There is Red Folder at 10 a.m. tomorrow. There is Red Folder on Wednesday at 8:30. There's also Red Folder on Thursday at 8:30, and there's Red Folder Friday at 8:30. Friday is a pretty much guaranteed very big data candle. The other day is not as much, but 90% off though with the Apex, so. Looks like they're almost finished. Maybe not though. I lied. One minute chart moving down quickly here. Shorts look pretty good, honestly, right now. Hmm. All right, Trump's done speaking. Trump is finally done speaking right now. Spider crawling on my monitor. I had to blow it away. The range here for the morning is still fairly small, so tapping the 50% level again right now. Hmm. Well, guys, it's 10:10. Haven't gotten any trades on live stream, which is a bummer. But that's okay. It's been a pretty rough morning in the sense of the market. We've only moved 60 points, and Trump was speaking all morning. So yeah, not great, but I think we'll call it there on the live. Yeah, be back tomorrow, most likely, and have a good rest of your day. I'll see everybody tomorrow.